Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to apply Flutter animation to make a widget grow in size. In particular, I want to animate the top image, the first thing when the screen display. For this purpose I've created this screen that consists of an image and a list view. I can start and write the animation logic in the same file, but I'm going to create a separate widget that will be responsible of animating its child. This is to avoid code cluttering and to make it also reusable. So here I've set the body to a column that has two children, the image and the list view. So let me start and create our new widget. So we'll call this size animation widget .dart. We'll start by importing the material library, and then we'll define the two classes. The first one will be the size, we'll call it size animation. This will extend the stateful widget. The second class, we'll call it size animation state. This will extend the state of size animation. So we need to override the create state and we'll return a new. But let's not forget that the size animation expects a child widget. This is the child to be animated. So we're gonna pass this through the constructor. This is the child. And that's it for the widget. Let's start creating the animation controller. So first we need the animation controller, and we also need a animation. We need to animate the height and the width of the child. So we need an animation object for both. So this will be animation double. We'll call this width animation, and another one for the height. We'll call it height animation. Okay, we're gonna instantiate these objects inside the set state. Sorry, it's init state. Okay. Start off with the controller. This will be new animation controller. The duration is new duration. This is gonna be in milliseconds. That's 1 second. Okay. And yeah, vsync, we'll change it to this. So we need to extend this class, sorry, with single ticker provider. Okay, so we can use this as a vsync. Next I'm going to define the width animation. Okay, we want to extend the width of the child to full screen, so we don't know the screen width in advance. So we're gonna create a new tween of type double. So it will begin from 0, 0.4, let's say, and it will end at 1.0. And we'll do animate, new curved animation. We'll set the curve to curves dot easing out, and the parent is the controller. Just a new line. Now, why we're using the range from 0.4 to 1, because we want to multiply this value with the screen width. So it will start with like 40% and it will increase in width till it covers the whole width. So that's it for the width animation. Now let's do the same for the height animation. I'm gonna copy this over. For the height animation, this is different. It will start at height of 50 and then it will expand to like 250. All right, and yeah, that's the same. So, and next we're gonna add a listener so that we want the screen to rebuild the set state whenever the controller generates a new value. Okay, and finally we're gonna call the forward on the controller to trigger the animation. Okay, now we need to define the build method. This will be a new container, and we're going to align it to center. We're gonna set the width of the container to media query of context. The media query is not defined inside the init state. You can access it only inside the build method. So we need the full width, and we'll multiply it by the width animation, which will have a maximum value of 1. So this will set the width of the container to actually to the width of the screen. Okay, and we'll set the height to the value from the height animation. And finally, we'll set the child to the widget.child. We can access the parent properties, not the parent, the screen properties, the widget property through the widget property. Okay. Now we have finished implementing our size animation widget. We'll go back to the main, and we'll wrap our image inside a new instance of size animation. So we need to import the size animated widget. We'll pass the image as a parameter to it. Sorry, it's not a package. I'm gonna import the file size animation. Okay, and there's one thing that we need to set is the main axis line, no, not this one, the main axis alignment to start. And the image alignment, yeah. I'm gonna remove this one. Okay, so the thing is, we need to redeploy our application to see it working. So start, debug again. And here you go. So this concludes this video. I hope it was beneficial to you. Thank you for watching.